I received this message on my Telegram group. I need help about how I can be able to use this kind 3D effect on Pixellab. So now I come up with this. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use this born to reign on your designs on Pixellab with just your smartphone. So let's dive into this tutorial. So this is it, but I would like to delete it since that's the tutorial all about. So I would like to delete it. So assuming you have finished your design and you want to use the 3D effect, so this is how to do it. So go to your browser and type www.photop.com. So can you see the Photop here? So you click on Photop, but on my phone I downloaded it somehow. Let me edit it. So you click on Photop like this. So this is it. So I downloaded to my phone somehow like this. So can you see open Photop? So I have downloaded it to my phone. So I downloaded it actually from this Chrome. I don't think it's on Google Play Store also, but I downloaded it from this Chrome. So this is the app. Can you see the app now? So click on it, then you click on file, click on open. You locate the file on your phone. So this is it. This is the 4 PSD. So you click on it and you click done. So it's going to load it. Yes, this is how it's going to bring it. So I have another tutorial on how to edit this, how to change the text and all of that, but I will be doing it also in this tutorial, but I will still teach you how to use it on Pixellab effectively. So now you click on this layer icon here. Can you see it? Can you see the layer icon here? So that's it. Then you click on this text. You click on this change here. So you go to your layer and you click on this smart object. You click on open edit content. So you edit it. You click on text, this text. So you click on it and you edit the text, because the font is not on my phone, so it's going to change the font. Can you see that the font has changed? So you just put whatever you want to use. So born. So that's what we want to use. Born. So we have born to. You click on the pick tool, then you reduce it. Reduce it to your taste. So I think it's okay now. So we change the text, the font. So let's change it to something better. Let's change it to this. So we have the born tool. Then you click on this file at the top left corner here. Then you click on save smart object. So you wait for it to save. Your smart object is saved. You can close this by clicking on the close button. You can close it or you leave it. So after closing it, we are going to have our born tool. Can you see born tool? So this is how you are going to use it on your Pixellab. You click on this. You click on this layer again. Then you off the background and you off the light. Can you see? So you click on this eye icon like this, you off it, and you click on this tool, you off it. So once the tool is off, you go back like this, then you click on file, export, then PNG. So you click on this PNG, then you click on save. save. So you download it, it will come to your phone. So you click on the text again, then you edit it the way we did the other time, because we want to use born to rain. Yes, we want to use born to rain, so it remains rain. So you click on layer, smart object, open edit content. So you click again, you erase this, and you click on rain. So then you save it, save smart object. So it is saved. If you click on this, if you like cancel it, if you like don't cancel it, just click on PSD. We have our rain and we save it again. You export it as PNG, then you click save, you download it on your phone. So once it is downloaded, then you go to your Pixellab. After you will have designed the whole design, then you click on plus, then you bring it, make sure you crop it. So you bring it. So the second one, so you bring it. In order for it to look nice on your design, you can edit it on Pixellab. Go to the color filter, can you see? So we have -9, 13, 9. So you click on this again. So -9, 13, 9. So that's the same. So that's that about how to use the PSD on your smartphone and on Pixellab. So if you want me to do the tutorial of the whole design, how I get the background and everything, you can leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to join the Telegram group, whereby you can have access to all this born to rain, all this PSD file, I have many more of them on my Telegram group, and you'll be able to use it on your smartphone. You can click on the description below and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get more videos, more content like this every time to time. See you on the other side.